Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and I'm just sharing this video because it's just an update on one of my 3local sites. Basically, I was on a one-on-one call with somebody back end of last month, and we were going through Niche Hunter and discussing different ways of attacking different niches. And I was on about for electricians. I've had this site, electricianfinder.com, for a while, never really done anything with it. And then I was discussing with him, and we come across Richmond, VA, having a huge search volume. If we have a look, so Electrician Richmond VA has got like 1,000 searches a month. It's quite good. It's $6 a pop. So I just thought, while I was talking to him, we were on about building these sites out because he was wanting to know how to build them out. So I was just showing him how I build them. And while I did it, I actually built this site. Now, since sort of that date, which was the 29th of the 7th, basically I've smartened it up a bit. This is how I build the sites, and this is how the sites on the Done For You are built. So you have like a form, obviously you have your phone number front and center. You've got your call us button down here. You have a form here, so you've got plenty of things. You have context links here, which go to all your services, which gives them their services a boost. If you've got one, I'll put a video on. And you've got like sort of a map down here of the area. So that's how I build the site. Now, the other thing, obviously, I do the same on this page, put a bit of blurb on just to make it a bit better. And then you go into here and you've got same sort of content. It's the same layout. It's just that. I've also put a join our team page on just to see if I can get electricians to actually join. Now I need to change the meta titles on this. It's not the best. I don't know, exclusive electrician leads. Yeah. Don't think anybody will be actually typing that in. I think I want to have free electrician leads or something like that. I'll have to do some research on that. I didn't do the research on it. I just stuck the page up because, like I said, I was just talking to this person. Then we got like residential. So that's all I've done with this site. Like I said, this was put up 29th of the 7th. So if we have a look at it now, this site, come on, got 272 pages indexed. Now I know that these pages are actually ranking because it's connected to my ring bar through the phone number and through the form. So a lead smart, I should say. And basically on the 4th of August, or sorry, the 5th of August, I had 2 calls come in for this. Now that's 5, 6, 7 days. 7 days from putting the site up, and I've had 2 calls come in. Does 3local work? Yep. And the thing is about this, I have just bought on the same day Richmond. Is it that one I bought? Oops, that page can't be found. But that's the site I bought. So I bought that one and built it out. I literally just finished this yesterday. I just happened to, I've been talking to Mike about this site, and then I just happened to look this morning and I found that it had 2 calls come in, which I was quite happy about. There you go. So as you can see, this was registered on the 28th of the 7th, 2025, because I bought that while I was on the call. So this one I must have started on the 28th and I finished it on the 29th. 5 or 6 days, and I've basically getting calls coming in. And like I say, this will now that I know it's working, on the home page, I will put a link somewhere. So obviously I'm not going to use them ones because they've already got links in, but somewhere up here, something like that, or even something from there. I will send a link from there to my Richmond site, and then it's going to help boost it as well. So then I'm going to have a 3local site on page 1, and I'm going to have my magic page sites on page 1. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more videos that I want to make and stuff like that. If the video was useful, then feel free to leave a comment, let us know what was useful. If you've got any other videos that you'd like us to make, then leave a comment. That helps the channel, plus it lets me know you enjoyed it. So therefore, I'm going to make more videos for you guys. Catch you on the next video, guys. Bye.